DIY traditional pottery, crafting clay with ancient techniques. Imagine shaping clay with your hands just like artisans did centuries ago. No fancy tools, just nature and creativity. Traditional pottery is not only an art, it's a deeply satisfying skill that connects you to history. Stay till the end for expert tips to perfect your pottery at home. In ancient times, civilizations like the Native Americans and Mesopotamians crafted pottery using simple techniques, yet their pieces have lasted for thousands of years. Today, you can replicate these methods and create your own handcrafted pottery with natural clay. 5 essential tips. Choose the right clay. Natural, air-dry, or earthen clay works best. Dig from your backyard or buy locally. Ensure it's free from debris for smoother shaping. Master hand-building techniques. Try coil, pinch, or slab methods instead of a pottery wheel. These techniques date back thousands of years and are easy for beginners. Use minimal tools. Stick to wooden sticks, shells, or even your fingers to carve and shape designs, just like ancient potters did. Perfect the drying process. Air dry pottery in the shade to avoid cracks. Slow drying prevents warping and ensures durability. Fire for strength. If possible, use an open pit fire, a technique used by indigenous potters, to harden clay pieces naturally. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always follow safety precautions when handling clay and fire.